First, I'm going to enable Microsoft Drop in Edge on my computer by going to the Settings menu and searching for Drop in the Settings. I'm going to enable the feature, and then I'll notice a new button appears at the top right of my Edge browser. Now I'm going to switch to my Newline, and I'm going to open the whiteboard tool. I'm going to put some content on my whiteboard just so you see something for me to save. Now I click on the Kebab menu and I go to File, Export to Cloud. I get to choose what I want to export and my file type. I'm going to leave mine as the PNG file and click Export. This pulls up a Share button. I'll click Share, and then I will select Edge. This will open the Edge browser on my Newline, where I have the option to send my image through Microsoft Edge Drop. When I click that, you're going to pull up my Edge browser on the board and see my Edge Drop. Then I'm going to switch back to my computer. I'm going to click the Drop button at the top right of my Edge browser, where it will pull up my Drop menu. I can click on my image here, or I can click on the Kebab menu next to the image and open the file in folder. You'll see that this is now a folder in my downloads where I can open the file, rename the file, save the file, share the file, whatever I want to do.